Hey, it's Krista with Dirt Locker, the hillside terracing and erosion control system made in the USA from 100% recycled plastic. In this video, I'm going to cover the different project types and how to use our calculator on our estimator page. I'm also going to cover how to measure your slope angle and how to measure your project area. Option 1 is to use a 4-foot level and a measuring tape to measure the rise over run to get the slope ratio. The slope ratio will always be a decimal value. So the height is going to be the rise, and you're going to divide that into the length or the run, and that's how you get your decimal value. Or you can use your smartphone to measure the slope angle in degrees. If you have an iPhone, you can use the Measure app and click on level, and then you can take your 4-foot level or a 4-foot 2x4, something that's long and flat, and you can put your iPhone on it to measure. Or if you have an Android, you can use the Angle Pro app. To measure your project area, you're going to need a measuring tape to measure your slope length from top to bottom and your slope width from left to right. You're going to multiply length times width to get total square footage.
Option 1. Use the Dirt Locker Scalloped Garden Quick Estimate to give you a rough estimate of what you'll need for most project types. Option 2. Use the Dirt Locker Scalloped Garden Refined Estimate for square or rectangular projects to estimate number of rows and number of dirt lockers per row. Option 3. Use the Dirt Locker Individual Rows Estimate for individual rows to work around pre-existing plants, trees, and obstacles. Option 4. Use the Dirt Locker Small Estimate for small or ornamental projects between 24 and 40 degrees. Option 5. Use the Dirt Locker Planter Ring Estimate for single trees or groups of plants.